Hey everyone, if you have had an issue, guys, with your Uber Eats order, maybe let's say it was late, okay? Maybe it was wrong, or it just did not arrive at all. Don't worry, you can request a refund actually. So I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get your money back. Let's get started, guys. So what you want to do, guys, is actually first things first, you want to open up the Uber Eats app on your mobile phone and log in. If you aren't already, make sure you log in, guys. Make sure you're in the account you used for the order in question. Then, guys, what you want to do is go to your orders, right? So what you want to do is tap on the profile icon or the account icon at the bottom of your screen, and then you want to select orders from that list. Okay, select the orders. This will show you the history of all your past orders on Uber Eats. Or you can also click on help and then tap on help with an order and then click on past orders. Okay, it's going to show you all the past orders on your Uber Eats. You just want to find the one you had an issue with and then just tap to open it. Okay, open that. And once you are in the order details, you want to look for an option that says help or get help at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that and it will take you to a list of common issues that you can report. So Uber Eats gives you several different options right here, guys, different options to choose from based on common problems. You'll see choices like, missing items, incorrect items, food was wrong, delivery was late, the issue is charges, there's an order never arrived. So just choose the option that best describes what went wrong with your order. You might also, guys, be prompted to provide a bit more detail or upload a photo if it helps explain the problem. Then, guys, once you have selected your issue, guys, you are supposed to, submit your refund request. So after you've selected your issue and provide any necessary details, just tap on submit or send to finalize your refund request. Uber Eats will usually review it within a few hours. And if they approve the refund, guys, you'll see it credited back to your original payment method. And just, guys, keep in mind that Uber Eats doesn't guarantee a refund every time. Each request is reviewed and approved, depending on factors like your order history and the specific issue report. And if your refund is approved, it might take a few business days to reflect on your bank statement, depending on your bank. And that's it, guys. Those are the steps to request a refund on Uber Eats. I hope this helps clear things up. And if it did, guys, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have any other questions about Uber Eats. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your refund request.